to figure out where to take this channel to, and I think I just found it. I think I'm going to take you all on a journey together with me on this new to us, a bit of a oldie. I'm sure it's gonna be interesting. There's plenty of channels that do similar stuff, and that's fine. The more the merrier. I learn a lot of the things I know how to do from watching as much and as many channels as I can on a subject I'm researching. It gives you a perspective. You see some aspects in one channel on one video, and then you see some other bits and pieces on another video, and that's how you make up your knowledge base. So I figure this is gonna be a bit of a project. It's not a total wreck, but it needs some work. For one, yeah, that's carpet. There's plenty more like that, items like that needs some attention, needs some addressing. If nothing, needs me to look and take a closer look at all the systems on this rig, just to make sure it's all up to speed. It's not gonna fall apart on us on the way. It can withstand the Canadian weather. I'm liking so far what this motorhome has. It's got quite a list of features. At the time when it was new, this was one of the top of the line motorhomes on the market. For one, it's solid wood cabinetry. This one is a diesel Cat 3126 Allison 6-speed. Quite the powerhouse. It's got quite the kilometers, but maybe I'll get on the history of this motorhome later on, but this is nothing for the diesel. This is not even half of its life, so there's many more kilometers to go. Sorry for the shaky camera. I forgot my GoPro in the rush to get out and get going, because we have to catch quite a few places before they close. For one, we managed to to squeeze in. We were the last 4 guys to squeeze into Service Ontario. With all the lineup and the spacing and all that's going on, yeah, still managed to get in and get it registered. Gave the payment to the seller, to the last owner. That the owner is actually the second. He's the one that imported it here about 20 years ago, and from the States, and he's been the only owner since. So I got a good feeling about the whole situation of how this motorhome was maintained, how it was taken care of. But we'll see. Once we dig in, we'll see what's in store. A little preview. And it came with a resident flight. All the way from Central Ontario. Alright, well, I'll catch you on the next one. I hope to have these regularly, at least as often as I can, whenever I'm working on it, whenever something is happening. And I'll be posting these videos regularly, so I hope the channel grows, and it gives some ideas to those that are kind of looking at the same, looking to get into motorhomes essentially. Now with the travel restrictions, The best thing to do is to explore what we have at home here in Canada. So we'll see you on the next one.